Two-factor authentication, not working on Yieldstreet Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on Yieldstreet, it can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to access your investment dashboard. But here's the surprising truth. In almost every case, it's a tiny or setup issue, not a serious account problem. Start by checking your phone's time settings. Two-factor authentication codes depend on precise synchronization between your device and Yieldstreet's servers. If your clock is even slightly off, your code won't work. Go to your phone settings, turn on Set Time automatically, and restart your phone. If you use Google Authenticator, open the app, tap Time Correction for codes, and select Sync Now. If you're not receiving SMS codes, make sure your mobile connection is strong and your phone can receive short code messages. Switching to mobile data or restarting your phone can often fix this instantly. Next, make sure both your Yieldstreet app and your Authenticator app are updated. Outdated apps can sometimes cause verification failures or mismatched codes. If you've changed phones or reinstalled your Authenticator app, you'll need to reset your FA. On the Yieldstreet login page, click Can't Access FA and follow the steps to verify your identity. Once verified, you'll be able to re-enable two-factor authentication securely. And don't forget, always store your backup recovery code somewhere safe, like an encrypted password manager. They can save you from being locked out in the future. Most people think the errors mean something's wrong with their account, but it's usually just a small syncing problem. So if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Yieldstreet, don't stress. Sync your time, check your apps, and update your settings. In just a few minutes, you'll be back in your account, protected by strong security and ready to manage your investments with peace of mind.